Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Roblox. It's easy if you want to fix it. First, just open File Explorer and then click here and type %app data %, and then after that, app data %, you will find yourself here. Just click on app data and then click local. Scroll down until you find folders that starts with R, and here it is. You will find Roblox. Now just right click on it and then delete it, and after that go back and then go to roaming, local low, and here you will find RBX settings. It means Roblox settings. Now right click on it and delete it. And if you can't find app data folder, you can find it in another way. Just click here, type run, and then just type here app data and then click OK, and as you see, you'll find yourself here. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, then just make sure to go to reinstall Roblox, go to apps and features, and then click here, and after that just type Roblox, and as you see, you can just uninstall it from this button and you can install it again from your browser. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.